And this is a big India Today impact after week-long reporting of the Vyapam scam. The Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister has finally said yes, he will write to the High Court and seek a CBI inquiry. Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan relented on a CBI probe on the Vyapam scam. He was facing flack not just from the Congress party but also from within. Let's listen into BJP's spokesperson Sambit Patra's reaction.
बीजेपी के तमाम नेताओं की तरफ हम ये माने कि केंद्र नाखुश था इस पूरे रवैये से।
बीजेपी के हर कोने में, चाहे केंद्र हो चाहे राज्य हो, बीजेपी के हर कार्यकर्ता चाहता है कि सत्य सामने आए। तभी तो जब अक्षय जी के विषय में हमें मालूम पड़ा, बिना कोई समय गवाए पार्टी के सबसे बड़े बड़े नेताओं ने, अरुण जी हों चाहे राजनाथ जी हो, सभी ने कहा कि हम चाहते हैं कि सच्चाई सामने आए। और खुद शिवराज जी ने भी पहले ही दिन कहा था, हम भी चाहते हैं सच्चाई सामने आए और हमें किसी भी इन्वेस्टिगेटिव एजेंसी से गुरेज नहीं है, सत्य सामने आए, क्योंकि हमें तो कुछ छुपाना नहीं है।
आपको लगता है मौतों का सच सामने आए?
मौतों का सच सामने आना चाहिए। एक भी व्यक्ति अगर अकारण मृत्यु प्राप्त करता है तो हम तो नहीं सहने वाले हैं। और ये आज शिवराज सिंह चौहान जी ने बिल्कुल साफ शब्दों में कहा है कि अगर एक भी व्यक्ति की मौत हुई हो, चाहे व्यापम स्कैम की जो सच्चाई है वो सामने आने वाली बात हो, हम पीछे नहीं हटने वाले हैं, हम सच को सामने ला के ही मानेंगे।
शुक्रिया। तो यह है संबित पात्रा जो सीधे तौर पर कह रहे हैं कि सीबीआई जांच के थ्रू अब
Now, the Congress party has also reacted to Shivraj Singh Chauhan saying that a CBI inquiry will be sought in this matter. Let's listen in to Shakil Ahmed.
Joining us now is the senior spokesperson of the Congress party. Sir, after so many deaths, finally the Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister is saying that he will write to the High Court for a CBI probe in the entire Vyapam scam. What is your reaction to this?
No, he can request the High Court for a CBI inquiry, but as the Chief Minister of the state, he is in own right can recommend it to the Government of India to institute a CBI inquiry. So why this diversionary tactics by the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, we don't know, and he should have done this much earlier than today, because the number of deaths, unnatural deaths in Vyapam scam is more than 47 now. So this is the bloodiest scam of independent India, even from before that.
But sir, even if it is coming late, will the Congress party welcome a CBI inquiry in this? You've been demanding this for a long time now.
No, we are demanding that CBI inquiry should be under the supervision of the Supreme Court. If it happens under the supervision of the Supreme Court, we have no issue on it.
But sir, the Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister has been saying for a long time that the High Court of Madhya Pradesh was monitoring this. That is why the STF and SIT were working on the directions of the High Court. That is why he could not have ordered a CBI inquiry.
No, in our opinion, he is or was simply trying to hoodwink the people on this matter, because SIT or the monitoring of this case was regarding the scam, not regarding so many unnatural deaths. So now the things will be, if Supreme Court monitors it, we have nothing to say, we will welcome it, if CBI inquiry is instituted under the supervision of Supreme Court.
Thank you so much for speaking to us. That was Mr. Shakil Ahmed speaking to us with camera person Sudhir in Delhi. Ashar Khan for India Today.